سلامونه ملګرو بیا هم په د کرکټ بورډ په مرکز کې د افغانستان د کرکټ بورډ مرکز دلته یو په زړه پورې کیسه دا ده چې معمولا دلته ډیر کار په لوبغاړو باندې دلته کیږي کرکټ لوبغاړي چې څوک یا خوږ شي یا همداسې د هغه دپاره یې تیاروي که نه نو غواړم چې دلته د دې مرکز د مسؤل سره خبرې وکړم دی راجش نومیږي راجش hello hi how are you
Very nice.
how is Afghanistan
It's very nice, beautiful.
yeah you are happy
I'm
with the
very
player,
happy.
with the people.
Yeah, it's very nice place to live.
Thank you. You already told me about the weather and the hospitality, so we will not discuss that. You are happy.
Yeah.
Let's discuss these things here. So tell me, what is your center about and what you're doing here?
So this is basically our rehab section where if any player have any sort of injury and pain, so we manage that in this center upstairs here. So we have imported couple of machines as well from India or other places. Like
1 second. وای چې دا چې دی دا د هغه څوک چې خوږیږي یا مثلا کوم مشکل لري یا زخمی کیږي د هغو د بیا رغونې دپاره دا مکتب دی دغه ځای دی مرکز او دلته یې بېلابېل ماشینونه راولي دي چې ځینې د هندوستان نه دي اوکې
Yeah. So we usually encounter two types of injuries. One, something which is like daily base, which we can treat on spot here in the rehab center with the physios, and one is something which is longer one, which require lots of time, maybe 2 week, 3 week. We look after that as well. For example,
دوه ډوله کسانو سره دوی سره کار لري یو هغوی چې د لنډ مهال دپاره ټپي کېږي مثلا په لوبه کې او ځینې دا دي چې د ډېر وخت دپاره ورته ضرورت وي نو د دواړو درملنه یا رغونه دلته کېږي.
For example, in past when any injury used to happen, so we always used to send our athletes to another country for the treatments or any sort of scanning. But now we have enough facility in our own board that we can look after them until or unless somebody needs big surgery. Then it's required or advanced opinion of the doctor, but mostly treatments are done
خبره چې کچېرته مثلا مشکل زیات و هغوی بهر ته استو خو معمولا دلته درملنه کیږي.
These are the recovery boots. You put it on the legs and then close it here and it's connected to a wire here. And it gives the recovery to the athlete after a heavy training session. Yes sir.
Okay, so right leg and left leg.
Yes.
Okay. And then you put it here?
Yeah, then we can put the time in the machine, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, whatever the recovery required for an athlete. And it...
په دې خو پوهېږئ ملګرو په اشاره هم سره پوهېږو ښه what about this one? This one is this belongs to this I think.
No, this is the separate machine for the treatment. It provides the heat on the injury and all these things. So that's basically the kind of a treatment by this machine. And then we have one more machine here recently we have introduced into our system. So it have the electrotherapy as well, which gives you the current type of feeling on the broken muscle to improve the blood supply. And then it gives the ultrasound as well with this.
Okay.
Multifunctional.
لنډه دا چې دا د وینې هغه زیاتوي که نه مثلا فشار یې ښه کوي. This is usual massage.
No, so these are physio beds. So there are some sort of needling, stretching, anything can be done on these beds. Basically, when some player comes here and he needs a needling, taping on any type of pain management by the doctors, so they do on these. We have a separate section for the massage where we have dedicated massage people. We have 4 to 5 massage guys working with us.
Thank you. راجش ډیره مننه د مخدره ته ویل چې د دې نه هسې علاوه د دې سربیره دلته یو بل مرکز لري چې هغه عادي د مساج مرکز دی مثلا خلک تیاروي